Big body, what's up? I got some of that you can.
No one a shy, she a pour out. Backseat love that. Your body get bad for your dip some. Say you like dark chocolate. Ooh, I'm free.
Bosco Dutty Berry here, and welcome to the first Dutty Lyrics of 2024. Now, you might be wondering, what the hell is Dutty Lyrics? Dutty Lyrics is a show that I'm producing, and you know, it just sees me reviewing dancehall lyrics, just any lyrics. It could be hip hop, it could be gospel, as long as the lyrics interesting and have a little bit of ray. I am going to, you know, talk about it, research it, investigate it, all of that. And so today I've decided to work with about 4 songs out of Russian Dutty Money Riddim, and they are, as you saw in the beginning, you have Najeerii Phat Phat, you have Rajah Wild Go-Go, you have Jada Kingdom, What's Up, and you know, ending it with which other song may I forget right now? G's and P. Which song may I forget? Lord of His Mercy, Niger boy. You know, it some time ago I did call the brother Niggy boy, Niger boy, with his hit single Continental. So first up, may I come talk about Najeerii's Phat Phat. Alright, so the song says, Bad Biatch love Bobs. Bad Sid love Fats. Alright, so him refer to himself as Bobs. I guess you to carry themselves like him. Come and think about the builder. I could have never Bob the builder. So bad biatches after the hot girl, them the Instagram model, them the girl, them dope, them body, the dolly, them all of them something. They love man like Bobs, right? Bad Sid love Fats. No, the one here rough with me now. Me I forgot call one of my little brother know or somebody know could have tell me what bad Sid. What bad Sid means. I'm gonna call my little brother. Like, no, I can't call him right now. Jesus P. Bad Sid, I most can't figure it out. S-I-D, Bad Sid, love thoughts. So if bad biatches love Bobs, Bad Sid, it have to be a man, love thoughts. I know Sod, Sid, S-I-D. Siri, hey Siri. Camera, me just move on right now. Your body get broad from you did some squats and she carry friend forward for me rich thugs knock. Okay, so the girl start for a workout now. She never go do no design a body, and our bumper start for just, you know, move. It expand like cost of living to get just increased. I saw our body just go so whoa. Our body move from meager to colossal. Say the word with me. Colossal. When I say big in a 2024, we are stepping up the vocabulary. So her body get big, so it gone to a colossal size. Since she started doing some squats, maybe she did that work with Patrice. I know Patrice I work with everybody. And she carry a friend forward. Okay, so she brought over a friend to the house, and he had a rich virgin that got to knock this girl. Okay, so your friend get to have sex with her, so your rich thugs knock. Okay. Him say, a biatch run top and me go fi fling down that. So top means the so the girl was there swallowing, and you know, so she performed fellatio, and him go fling down that. I don't think he means say, cause we know him and the woman in on the stage. I don't think he mean that type of fling down there. I think he mean like him just go, you know, him go mash it down. You get me? Go mash our works. Okay. You got the bumper. You got the big bumper that after being been flung back. Oh, so then him in the motion now. So Najeerii, him in the motion now. I do the little something now. So if you people have ever done the, you know, I know una watch it and really do them look something there. Big the people them who do nothing from 2024. So then now he goes on to say, you got the big bumper. So like when the girl like give me that little back kind of position, he might look down there and I'm like, wow, look at these cheeks. Pa-pam. These are so massive. So then the motion, because the little rafting, we're going, so the motion and the waves just bring it back here like, whoa, the ripple effect. So Nigeria look down and be like, whoa, you got a big bumper and you have a being flung back. Him say, she no drink rum rational, a biatch love shot. So she not play like she can manage her liquor and then one little thing she drink and then she start to get tipsy like she take liquor like a man. Ready? She loving rough back harsh and she been broke bad. So the girl that she careless from Shaban. She careless right through from Shaban, right? And she love the little rough style. So like with the Marian Al, well not Marian Al, Jesus Peep, the lady saw song say, she wanna really baba got a back shot, she love at them type of girl, yeah, right? So we jump to the chorus now. Girl, yo usi fat fat. Okay, so once again, he's talking about the woman's body. You know, this is not a song of objectification because, you know, it's dancehall. So, yeah, what else is there to a woman besides our body? Anyway, so, girl, you usi fat fat. She care another girl and fully not that. Okay, so, oh, wow. So the girl that just have her friend and make you sleep with the whole crew. So she not only brought somebody, she not only bring one friend for your rich dog's knock, but she bring another friend for you knock as well. Like, or maybe the same girl where you have rich dog's knock, you just take as well after. Cause maybe one of us do it like as one gun, the next one born. It's like a shift program. I understand that near Najeerii. Baba push a fat jog. Lad, I don't really understand that, but they want to mean like I probably want care. Somebody correct me down below because the dogs them watch this as well, so they can correct me. Bob a push a fat jog. I must see my push a fat jog. I can't money something more vehicle. Yeah, man. A gal a pull a guard pants. Clearly she's about to go up on her knees them, so she pull down your pants them. Papa Uzi and shot a bag of rookies and fags. One year no, Jesus screamed. And then they bringing the 1 year in a paper exam. Papa Uzi and shot a bag of rookies and fags. Rookies mean a newbie. But a shot, is this drinking? And fags. Fags could be a cigar, but like this a dancer. So it mean like a buju bantan boom. Like, is that where it's going? Cause this kind of random in the song. Like, once again, let me know right there. So come last to the line here. I will shoot up a beat. And we will shoot up the beat. That means that a little new girl will come, you know, share like easy slaps. You get me? Easy slapping start. That is what I'm assuming. She suck a caca and drool up the place. So she giving that wet. She giving that you know, swallow 360 rotation, guap. All of that type of motion I'm going there because it look like our mouth have only a little, you know, H2O. So it just give a certain ambiance because what I have read is that when fellatio is being performed, the wetter it be, it shut up. Okay. She cute, so the cat have to use up the brain. Okay, once again, talking about fellatio, girl pretty, and she rude, running slappy top, a youth tuggy braids. Okay, so while she is doing the performing fellatio, yeah, hold on pan the girl braids now. I do it like a cayman and struck like thundering down the street with a furlong to go. And look, it's looking at Najeerii's over there. No. I'm not, no. Without a furlong to go. Cayman, yeah, pick up, yeah. So that is it for Najeerii's Phat Phat. Wow, this was quite a journey.
Yeah,
Okay, so it's time for Rajah Wild and the Dutty Riddim Go-Go. Now let me go jump to the lyrics now. Sinful a rap bat. Whoa, the song is start off strong. So the man make a note say, yo, sinful. I guess I did. Wow, okay. Sinful a rap bat. I still really understand what rap bat is because everybody have a name. So you have Najeerii in my bab. Sin Rajah Wild say rap bat. Me I like, okay, sure, be a rap bat if you want to be. It's 2024, be whatever you want to be. Him say, yo, Russian mad, yeah, okay, that's the talking part. So the chorus starts. Jump into the chorus. Tell you something what you don't know. What? Oh, so I must say, I'm going to tell you something right now what you don't know. Okay, so right there, I'm interested. Like, okay, what you say right now? So he goes on to say, he likes a bad biatch. Me like go-go. So everybody's talking about their aspirations, things on their vision board. all of these things. Rajah Wild is making you know what he wants is that he likes a bad biatch and he likes a go-go. So if you dip on the pole, if you work at Taboo, you are theme type. That's fine. That's fair. Okay. She like pop pill. She like zone out. Oh, wow. So your girl, them shouldn't have her 100% sanity at all time. You like when the girl, them kind of move like days out, like. Them type of girl, Rajah Wild like. Fine. Are your prerogative. Okay. Less with the chattings. Open out your throat hole. Oh. So Rajah Wild, I make you know, him not like that girl with a bag of conversation. Him know why me even me not need to know if you have a personality. I do not care if you have a personality. Listen, me don't want a beauty and brains. The only brains me want right now is heads. That is it, Rajah Wild. That's what I must say. Less with the chattings, man. Look back up. Shut up your mouth, man, and get to the guap. Okay? That's what Rajah Wild say. No one a shy chef or out. Whoa. No one a shy chef or why things and times really change, you know. Something that's a move up and down. So things and times really change. Normally, people used to talk and say they want a decent girl, want a girl that got church, want like an innocent little something there, you know, some of them are too X-rated, all of them because something here. But right about now, on the Dutty Money Riddim, Rajah Wild say, him don't want like a shy, like an innocent girl. He want a girl that want to have experience. Wow. Like the girl that work a back road and them type of girl that Rajah Wild want. Okay. Bust in your mouth. Make it come through your nose hole. No, honestly, like, man, I go think my grandmother and I listen to them singing. I can't imagine. I think she could look on them because something like. Yes, but as a literature student, I can appreciate and understand and put myself in the space of somebody who would write a song like this. You get me? But when they step outside that, man, it's like a lot of his mercies. Like, me, I think about my grandmother, hear them something, I know. She couldn't understand the whole like this. Bust in your mouth. Make it come through your nose hole. No, me, I forgot that. Bust in your mouth to make it come through your nose hole. Let me say it again. Bust in your mouth and let it come through your nose hole. No, how much busting there, bust? Because this come like some pent up thing, like match no works since COVID-19. Because like if you're a bust so much to the point till it come through the girl nose hole. This was just poetic language. I'm gonna just track it up to that. Cause man a sinner, you for know some grow cold. So right there, Rajah Wild I say, listen. Me fully, I got just damage you. I got disrespect you. At this point, I could have put all my ankle and I told them in your mouth. Me not really care. Me not really care right now. Me got treat you like just one piece of object. When me got fling out and make the rubbish man them come pick it up at roadside when at Christmas. And that Rajah Wild I say right now. Say him a sinner. So him not have no look care, him no business boy, yo, that's just that. I have to understand same grow cold because maybe him have a hard life, maybe like, his upbringing, it wasn't the best. So if I make same grow cold, so I don't really care about you right now. Him just business about how you can take care of him sexually. Okay, okay. And if Shinomoki is a no-no, once again, what kind of things them you want the girl to do so? Because right now I feel like the girl to do some things where you not mention at the song. I say she have to mock, Like them girl you have to make like Jesus Christ, man. If she no monkey is a no. No what? No love. I just mockings me know about. So I say him not in the lovey-dovey thing. Him no business about no Keisha Cole, no Luther Vandross. Him no business about hello. Is it me you're looking for? I'd rather have bad times with you. Rajah Wild not depend that. Him not depend like something that it's all about. And then say you go one side. Him not even business. Him not even going to give you a bus fare. Him not even going to call on-time taxi. Him not even going to call what the one name I always think the Uber. Him not call no in-drive for you. Him no business. After him don't get where him get, cut off. Probably I'll block and delete your number right after that. Hold on, go on. A rap bat in charge. Stop it, moms. Where you going, draws? Jesus, P. The girl can't even bring a little panty come at the yard. My mercy, God. The girl only come there for just skin out. Jesus Christ. The girl have to come there know so she can't even make a little conversation and ask you, how is it there? You eat from morning? Them girl there, them have to work on them. As a matter of fact, I must pay your pay. Because right now, this have to be prostitution. Because this can be an actual relationship. The girl have to just come there with one purpose. Ready? But then he compliments, which is good. Clean skin. Her PSI fat, it broad. Wow. So I guess she has a very voluptuous labia. Which is good. All when pocket tall. Mr. Alwyn pocket tall, so go and clap it fast. Okay, pocket tall, him have money, all of them something there. So him just when the pocket tall, him know says that easy knockings. And it not take no long for me drop it draws. Okay, so him say with him being a Rajah Wild popular artist, it not take a little long type of conversation and stuff for him be able to like get the vagina. Okay. A fast magic's off. My dog sick it dog. My lot of mercy, I can't bother. She have to slappy when she tap me. Okay, so once again, fellatio is a strong theme in this Dutty Money Riddim. Style a girl me a mad. Like lot of mercy. Me I forget the lyrics now. So with these songs, what I'm gathering, oral sex is a priority. No type of chemistry or foundation is needed. It is solely contractual. It's transactional. You show up, just ensure that you have a good body, you have certain oral talents, and that you have a fat vagina, and I will treat you any way I desire. I think so far that is a transaction that I'm getting from both of these songs on the Dutty Money Riddim, and it is quite fine. Okay. So that is it for Rajah Wild. Let me know what you think was the wildest line out of his song. Now it's time for Niger Boy's Continental.
Russian.
Greedy. Oh God, I love this song. Love this song. So let me just jump onto it. No. So yeah, man, this is the youth, Niger Boy. I did call him Niggy Boy at one point, but boy, just that's for that. Anyway, so for his song now, let me go and pull up the lyrics. So the song starts out, Russian, them say me for easy and stay true to one queen, but wait, hold on. If Solomon and David had ladies by the dozen, then why can't I be greedy? Now that right there and then, Niger Boy, I say he's debating. This is Burger King debating quiz competition, and he is talking and proving theme point. Them say for easy and stay true to one queen, but wait, hold on. So people always bring up the Bible. And what would Jesus do? What would the Bible say? And so he is being smart. He must say, listen, if in the Bible I saw men, kings being gallus, and if I'm a black man and I'm gallus, I'm a king as well, why I can't be a gallus? And right there, here. That is a point, Najeerii. Girl, if you want me, then you can have me. Because sharing is caring. We don't understand like the type of, mind games where Nigeria play right here. So him basically I say, him love you, love you. But him want you to understand the fact, say, him not gonna stay loyal because he's just continuing the mission that God did dictate in the Bible. Oh, how you for argue with a point like that? Come on. How you for argue with a point like that? He's saying, listen, sharing is caring, and it is a wonderful feeling. Him said, girl, if you want me, then you can have me. That is all, him not have no disclaimer. Him easy. Him say right now, him cheap. Him not have no little nothing about him. Him say, as long as you want him, that's the only criteria. If you want me, you have me. Simple. So you got to share me. Oh, wow. And him say, so you like that chocolate? I am free of cost. No, Niger boy. Come on, man. You must can put like a price. Have like a worth, man. Not like a sense of worth. Not even one like a nanny, one like $1,000. You can just say you're free of cost. Like, come on, man. We know you're new in the industry, but Jesus Christ, man. Come on, man. Man, you have to put a little value on yourself more. Bad to bad, man. You could have said one like a $15, one $20. So, man. One like a kind. Free of cost. So you like that chocolate? Once again, him really, we're talking about fellatio. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me, yeah. Him say African girl a film favorite, something about the way them gyrate it. That's understandable because the woman them have the big, what they call it, the nyash, the African woman them. South American girls have the nice bass. When them dance, it coming like an earthquake. This, yes, probably them cause an earthquake when Jamaica the other day, like all the way over in the South American country them. Antarctican girls, them ice cold, but them warm touch take me some high places. No, Niger. Where you then book up Antarctican girls them? Like, which one if I book up to the Antarctica? Find me one girl by Instagram now. We put up on our location Antarctica. Come on, man. Niger. Bad to bad, I could have just said Mandeville. Mandeville and call it. And call it a day. Say England, man. Jesus Christ, man. Antarctica. But me understand. But no, it is time for me to just wrap this up with the final song. And it is from Muma Evie herself. And the song name is, oh my God, again, What's Up? All right, so come in, Jada. Time for me to talk about you now. Jada Kingdom, Lord of His Mercy, this song. So to start off the song, Jada Kingdom. No, this has to be one of the wildest. No, this has to be one of the wildest intros to a song. One of the wildest intros to a song. Oh my God. Jada says, big body, what's up? I got something that you can hawk. Do I? No. Do I even need to continue with this? Jada said, big body, what's up? I got something that you can F. No, Jada, you need to be a conductor and work out the arbitrary crossroad because them type of objectification there is only, them something only come from a taxi man, one loader man like this. Jada, you step to a man like a man. Jesus, beam. She goes on to say, dash some cash, bad man, nothing broke. 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 So right there and then, Jada laid on the rules them. She has to listen, I step in, I look good, give me some money because if you say I want thugs, if you say I want bad man, you know, for broke, so right there, she use the masculine energy, the patriarchy, she use it against you know, man. She say right now, if you want thugs, you know, nobody now go want to say them man want bad man. So right there, if they want to just fuck with the money and go get Jada, you see? She use smart, street smart, reverse psychology. Ready? So then she goes on and she say, crush some weed, then light and puff. Okay, fine. So she has fit the vibe. Okay, guess who is coming first? What you mean? Coming like you? Where are we going, Jada? Oh, she says CUM. Oh, that mean they. Oh, so now it's a competition. Oh, okay. Well, let's find out who will bust first. So then she says, pum pum, wax, now carry no bush. Jada is making you know she ready feed anything or anything because you know so she have on her good panty right there. So you know, when a girl put on her good panty and you know them look and she tell them look something and she make you know she not on her period, anything or anything, just play your cards right if you want something to happen at the end of the night. So that's this why Jada said this now. Try nobody mean that me I want you. Okay. Once again, no, this is transaction. One of them song you basically I said transaction with the exception to a little bit apart. Is Niger boy because it not really have no value for himself in a theme song. But with this now, Jada keep on a remind, she's just like, yo, let's get it done. But she'll make you know, say, not now one if she need the money for it on the table, right? So when you book up all Jada now, you have to have your wallet on the table so she can know how she gonna proceed. Mercy. Trying about that mean that me I want you. Me will trick you and rob you, then jump on a bus. Jada! Dutty lyrics, people. Jada, me will trick you and rob you, then jump on a bus. Jada, what kind of lifestyle this? So just because the person might know, honestly, No man, that song ya, them song ya pan the something was sponsored by Whispers. The all them song ya pan the Dutty Money Riddim sponsored by Whispers. I'm gonna talk Whisper where I play football. Me attack the place there. And if you know, why do you know? What kind of life you live? You know about this, so. Okay. Me will trick you and rob you then jump. No man, no Jada man. Jada man. Come on, man. So she goes on to say, action movie you want star in. Okay, so you have to put your video, do a little something. Okay, them little lifestyle of Jada life. Okay. You come so much time could have full up a cup brim. No, how much rounds not go and find at the night. So once again, a central theme. Rajah Wild talk about just coming so much nose things around on the woman nose. And now me I wonder like what una do so that una let go the floodgates of heaven while una do the little things them. Jesus pim. Okay. But me no wanna pitney, so me no mind. Is this saying what I think it is saying? But me no want to pitney some of my drink. And I don't give a F if them call that sinning. No, Jada, me done. Me not even never finish this. Jada Kingdom, I am finished. You're 0 the game. Yeah, 0 the game right there, so. I don't wait, you know, sneak into the song, you know. Action movie you want to start in dash. But me no want to pitney. She doesn't want to have no kids. So she no mind drink. She is swallowing the kids. Oh Lord, what to what Whitney Houston did say? I believe the children are a future. Lord of his mercy, Jada. Oh my God, Jada is that girl. Jada is that girl. Jesus Christ. It's like the way Jada just different. You have to respect it. It's like, you're like Jada. Me can't finish. Me not take more. Me can't finish the rest of this. Jada Kingdom. Jada. That is Jada. We're going to find a picture of Jada face again. Jada. No, honestly, you can't imagine if Jada did it on like all the Rajah Wild Go-Go remix. No man. Russian, you are Najeerii, the Phat, this, the Go-Go, Niger boy, like the Ola Uno, like Uno make different. Like Uno make different. Jesus, team, like I don't know what more to say. Well, people, you know, listen, that is it for Dutty lyrics. My mind is all over the place. I'm an innocent young man, but them song you brought me out. So let me know what do you consider the most outrageous lines in all of the songs them. Let me know in the comments, and if you want me to examine another song that you think is equally as rare, suggest it down in the comments. All right, take care. Bury those later. Make sure to say you like, comment, share, and subscribe. All of that. That's it for this Dutty lyrics. Jeez, yo. Oh Lord.
Big body, what's up? I got some of that you can.
No one shy for out. Backseat love that. Your body get bad for your dip some. Say you like that chocolate. Ooh, I'm free.
Let me see if I can actually do the song right now. Let me see if I can. Let me know the song now. Bad bitch love bobs. Bad sit love tats. You about to get broad from you did some squats and she carry friend forward from rich dogs knock. A bitch run top of me go fling down that you got the big bump of me have to fling flung back. She no drink rum rationally bitch love shot. She loving rough backers and she been broke bad. Yeah, girl you usi fat. She carry another girl fully not that baba pushy fat jagger got the booty bad girl uzi and shoot about the rubies and fat.